subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy A34 5G smartphone globally, along with the Galaxy A54 5G smartphone. And among these two, the Galaxy A34 5G is the most affordable phone with quite identical design. Now let's see the specifications of the Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. The Galaxy A34 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Galaxy A34 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with a 1-parallel aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 123° field of view alongside the 5MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 13MP selfie shooter under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 13 out of the box based on One UI 5.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.3 by 78.1 by 8.2mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Galaxy A34 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 30,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 32,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be available for purchase in Awesome Lime, Awesome Graphite, Awesome Silver, and Awesome Violet color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A34 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.